Hello and welcome to a new class. This is Python for Beginners. I'm Hadi Yunus and I'll be your instructor for this class. And let us jump to the outline. So first of all, we'll talk about why we use Python, and then we are going to set up Python in our computers. Then we are going to discuss Python syntax, then types, operations, and functions. In addition to that, we are going to cover decision making, such as the if statement. And then we are going to talk about while loops and for loops and how and when to use them. After that, we're going to talk about how to read and write into files. Then we'll jump to strings in Python. Moving on to data structures, and we're going to discuss lists, dictionaries, tuples, and sets. We also have the datetime module and the zip functions, and I thought they are important, so I included them here. And finally, we are going to discuss recursion and how to think recursively when solving specific problems. And finally, we have our project that will be to build a calculator. So this is it for the outline. Now let's move on to why you should learn Python. So basically, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it is used for automation, AI, applications, and websites. In this class, we are going to learn the basic concepts in Python as well as data structure. So welcome again and see you in the next video.